welcome back to my channel. I stopped in the store yesterday to get some supplies for my project this morning. 4th of July is almost here. It's my son's birthday. My grandchildren are coming. It's gonna be so much fun. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let me introduce you all the materials that we're gonna use for our project. We're making a table runner. Yes, a table runner. For this project, we're gonna need butcher paper, long, wide butcher paper, some tissue paper roll, a pair of scissors, paint, blue, white, and red. Ready? Let's get started. First, I'm gonna get my tissue paper roll and I'm gonna cut it here like this. Woo! After I cut it, I'm gonna go like this. Okay, so after I cut it, I'm gonna fold it like this. It's a stamp. See? Okay, so I'm gonna start with the color blue. What do you think? Blue is good? I'm gonna try not to mix my colors, but let's see. Hey, don't they look like firecrackers? That's what I tried to make, like a little, and I'm gonna be stamping. You see, if you mix it, it's okay. It's okay, everything works. When you work with children, just let them stamp. They love to stamp. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Stamp, stamp, stamp. They're stamping. My grandchildren love to do this. When my Isabella was little, we used to spend hours and hours making art. And she would love to do all this stamping. When she comes to see me this 4th of July, that's what we're gonna do, right? It's stamping, woo! Happy 4th of July, everybody. See you soon, bye-bye.